Good morning, students. Let's continue the chapter. Our next topic is the cost of a cure. So, this is a story given here. Just read it. Aman and Ranjan are good friends. While Ranjan comes from a well to do family, Aman's parents have to struggle to make ends meet. Hi, Aman. Good to see you back. How have you been? I had viral fever and had go to the hospital. Oh, me too. I just got back to school on Monday. My daddy took me to see the doctor at the new hospital in Kingsway. It was very exciting. The building looked so posh, I thought it was a five-star hotel. Daddy said that was because of it was a private hospital with the best of its facilities. So he is telling that he has visit to a doctor and what kind of facility he was being provided and what is the payment he has paid. Daddy had to pay rupees 500 at the reception counter itself before we even meet the doctor. There was nice music playing. Everything was really clean and shiny. The doctor asked for many tests, but everyone was so friendly. The lady who took my blood for testing told me so many jokes that I forget to feel the pain. After the test results came, we went back to the doctor. He looked through them and said everything was fine and I only had viral fever. He prescribed some medicine and rest. And have you heard the Ramayana one about Batman on reality TV? The nurse is trying to just distract his mind from that injection. So young man, the pink pill should be taken 3 times a day, and the white tablet and once before bedtime. That's for the body ache. This is syrup. Don't worry, it is tasty. So you can see that how doctor is making him understand, how he is being very polite, and he is telling him that he had only the viral fever, nothing too much bother. So in the next, let's see. You see, I have been dying to tell you about it, but what about you? Which hospital did you to go? Now he is asking from his friends that he told his experience. Now it is his friend's turn. He's saying that it was not as nice as yours at all. At first, Abba didn't want to take me because he said it would take too much time because they have to go in a private, not in the private, in a public hospital. You can say the government hospitals. And it really did. We went to a big government hospital. We had to wait in a long queue at the OPD counter. I was feeling so sick that I had to lean on Abbas all the time. So when our turn came, the doctor examined me and asked for a blood test. Then we had to go and stand in another long queue. People were crowding around in the testing room too. So we got the test results after 3 days and went back to the hospital. There was a different doctor on that day. Show me his OPD card and test results quickly, please. He seems to be suffering from a bout of viral fever, nothing to worry about. All he needs that's one fever reducing medicine. My hospital was nice, but they gave me many medicine and the whole thing cost quite a lot. Oh, my treatment did not cost so much. So now you can see the difference between the private health facilities and the public health facilities. That what are the differences? We have to pay much. But it is natural that if we are paying much, then we will get the much facilities also. And how time consuming the private sectors or the private hospitals are, and in the public health center it takes lots of time. So this was the story just given. You can read it. Our next topic is public and the private healthcare services. This page you can read yourself today. Tomorrow we will cover it. Till then you cover this much only.